Hello, my name is Sonia Gabriel Sirait with study ID 202632182G12, and I am from class A. Today, I would like to explain my Excel project on display statistic from graph data. Here is the background of how collection are structured and the spread here. Filling the Pernicious distribution table alongside mean value x. To get the mean value, we add the lower class limit and the upper class limit of a row together and then multiply the sum by half or divide by 2. To fill the values for the subsequent row, we can sample drag down the formula using the Excel cursor tools. Mean value x frequency p PEX. The value is obtained by multiplying the mean value itself by its corresponding frequency value on the same row. Step defines To determine the step defined value, we look for the highest value in the frequency columns. We then place the number 0 parallel to this highest frequency in the step defined columns. For the row above the 0, we assign center negative number -1, -2, and for the row below the 0 and assign scale positive number 1, 2, 8. Uh, Frequency step defined, as the name suggests this obtained by multiplying the frequency column by the step defined column for each row. A measure of center tendency mean again. There are two ways to calculate the mean value. The first method is by dividing the total sum of the PEX count by the total frequency and uh, mm, the second method using the coding scales upon where their value is obtained by multiplying the class width by the prime of U, then adding the result to x0, the assumes median. median. First, we must determine the median class solution with its option from the total number of data and defined by two and using the column step frequency column as determined, we find the corresponding row and collection the lower edge by subtracting no zero no zero no. Uh, from the lower class limit, the final median value is calculated by adding the lower at to result of starting the concept frequency before the median class. For the median class calculation, dividing it by the median class frequency and finally multiplying it by the class width. See, mm, modus. The modal class is defined by looking at the class parallel to the zero value in the step defines columns. The class with the highest frequency, the lower edges, is obtained by setting null 0 from the lower limit of the modal class. Next, we determine the difference in frequency between the modal class and the phrase previous class and the two, the difference in frequency between the modal class and the class after it. The mode is then collision using the formula TB, TB plus D1 mean D1 plus 2. D1 plus 2 uh, s- sama dengan measure of positioning measures of position. Three quarter. Define the third quarter. We first determine the quarter class location by multiplying their acquires by to total number of data 3, 4. We then find its lower edges by subtract 0, 0, 5 from the lower limit of the determined class. The final value is collected by adding the lower edges to difference between the quarter class position and the prices cognitive frequency defined by the class frequency and multiplied by the class width. Eight, they say the collection process follow and the is the same method as the quarter with the only difference being the class quotients formula for the eight distance the position collections using formula. Three patients similarity the Yunder logic is consistent with quartile and device and main difference lies in the differences the quotient with are the total data is multiplied by 100 because the percentile cost dilution difference the lower limit ratios commuting frequency and cost frequency will natural edges according to newly determined row 33 decile 8 total. Then concludes the explain for the Excel project. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.